Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we are going to do a what's new in my jewelry box. So if you want to see the pieces that I've added to my collection, then please continue to watch. The pieces that I'm showing you guys today are from a company called Linjer. I am so excited to collaborate with them. When they reached out, I did research on the company and it was definitely something that matched my vibe because they're all about sustainability and they're carving out their own niche in the market between fast fashion and luxury, where you can have affordable pieces that are also great quality, and they use a lot of recycled material. So I thought it was something that would definitely, I wanted to bring to my community, especially when times are tough out here and you want to look nice and have affordable pieces. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. So here is what the packaging looks like. And right off the bat, what I love is that they sent a personalized message to me. It has the company name on the front, and then it just says, "Hi Geneva, hope you love your new pieces from the Linjer team." And I love personalized messages, so that was definitely a really nice touch. And I love the packaging. The blue is absolutely gorgeous. And on the top of the box, it just says, "Meet your fine favorites, ethical, sustainable, and unique jewelry that you can enjoy for years to come." They use recycled gold and silver, conflict-free diamonds, and have a timeless design. So here is the first piece that we are going to unbox. I love the packaging on this. It just looks so elegant and classy with that navy blue. And when you open it up, I like that there is a little place where you could actually write a message if you're giving it to a loved one, and then you'll see the nice message from the Linjer team. So it's a really nice touch. And then you have this gorgeous navy packaging, which I love when items come like this because it's so easy to travel with. And you also receive your care instructions for your jewelry. And then the inside of the box just says, "The finer things in life every day." So I love the personalized touch. It's really nice and thoughtful. So here is what it looks like. And let's see what piece I picked out. Oh, okay, perfect. This is called the Charlotte, and I'll bring it closer so that way you can see. I picked out this piece in sterling silver because I personally wear, if you've watched my channel before and seen any of my other jewelry videos, you'll see that I've unboxed Tiffany pieces. I have Pandora sterling silver. I wear gold, and so I wear both metals. So I wanted to try both of them just to see what they offer and how they're going to wear and look in my collection. I thought these were just great additions. So if you see me looking off, I'm going to be reading to make sure that I give you guys all the exact specs on this. This is called the baguette ring in white topaz. So that's what that gemstone is in the middle there. There we go. So gorgeous. So that is white topaz, and then it is recycled sterling silver. And I got this to wear on this finger right here. So that is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. And it is true to size. This is available from size 4 to 10. So very inclusive sizing because I happen to have larger fingers. And I love how it looks. I think it elongates my fingers and just looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm definitely really happy to have this piece. This is not only do they have different sizing available, they also have different finishes. So while you can get this in sterling silver with also a blue topaz as the gemstone, you can get it in gold vermeil and amethyst, peridot, citrine, and also blue topaz. So there's definitely, you're bound to find something that you like with all of those options. All right, so now let's go in and grab another item. All right, so we have that same packaging, and let's go ahead and take this piece out. And let's see what I grabbed. Ooh, perfect. So with this piece here, you guys can see How gorgeous is that? This is another piece that is also in sterling silver. This is called the Isla, and I got this specifically because I wanted to layer it with the ring that I already showed you guys. So you could wear it on top or underneath and it would look like that. I personally like it underneath, so I'll put it on first and then put back that ring. So I'm just gonna add that. This is what she looks like, stunning. So it's 4 different ethically sourced gemstones. So it's that white topaz, and I love that it's in different shapes. So yeah, that is so cute. And it's really dainty and pretty. And I think it goes so perfectly to stack it with the baguette. I cannot wait to wear this. I just think these two together are absolutely stunning and they look so nice. I don't think that they're overpowering or anything. I think they're really nice, simplistic, minimalistic pieces that will look lovely on your hand. And this is also available in the same finishes that the Charlotte piece was. So yeah, I absolutely love that. I'm going to take this off so that way we can go in the box and look at some more pieces. All right, let's see what's inside this box. Just going to set that down so we can pull out our next piece. And it is this gorgeous ring right here. This is the only gold Vermeil piece that I purchased. And I had to do a little bit of research because in my personal jewelry collection, I have platinum, I have white gold, sterling silver, yellow gold, but I didn't have anything that was gold Vermeil and I wasn't familiar with it. So when I was looking it up, what I come to find out with Linjer is that they use 5 times the microns of gold plating. So the core of this piece is sterling silver. And then on top of it, you have that 14 karat yellow gold. And so it should definitely last for a longer amount of time than regular gold plated jewelry because it's 100 times thicker than flash plated jewelry. So when I read all of that, I was like, oh, I'll definitely add this to my piece because it is such a statement piece. And I got it to wear on my finger. And I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. Also with this piece, I would say that it is true to size. Also ranging in sizes from 4 to a 10. They're whole sizes, no half sizes. That is something that I wanted to make sure that I mention. And if you did not want this in the gold Vermeil, you could get it in sterling silver. So once again, this is what that piece looks like. She is absolutely stunning. And I think this is another piece that would look really good stacked. So that's something that I might eventually do, but it also stands, it's substantial enough that it stands nicely on its own. I just think that it is so pretty. So yeah, if I did not mention the name of this, this is called the Margit. This is Mother of Pearl. And yeah, just such a gorgeous, classic, timeless piece. Now we are down to our final piece. Let's go ahead and open her up. And take it out of its packaging. So this one did come in. All right, this says, please use me. This bag is eco-friendly, 100% landfill safe, and environmentally degradable. So that is really nice. I love their sustainability efforts, in case you guys probably can see that right there. So that's what that messaging says. So we'll open her up. To reveal this gorgeous, and the same messages it's inside, they double wrap this. This is such a gorgeous, dainty piece. Let's see if I can bring this in so that way you can see it. I'll definitely show you guys this. What I grabbed is a pendant. This is in solid 14 karat gold. I love that. And the gemstone in the middle is the white topaz. There we go. She's so pretty and dainty. And how I'm thinking of wearing this, I'm gonna put it on a chain and show it to you guys. I wear this necklace anytime I'm wearing gold, and it's like an everyday occasion. I wear this necklace every single time because it was gifted by the two most important men in my life. So what I was thinking is adding this just here in the middle, I think would be so nice and dainty. And because charms are all the rage this past year and coming up in 2025, I also thought another way that I can incorporate, you know, like the whole charm aesthetic would be to add multiple different gemstones with the birthstones. I have two sons, so I was thinking of adding this because the white topaz I feel like is classic. It would go with anything, but if I wanted like a pop of color, then I would do the gemstones of maybe my husband and my sons. So I thought this would be definitely a great stacking piece again. So I think the best way for me to show this to you guys is if I actually put it on. So I will do that and come right back. Okay, so I added the piece on, and I think that is just so lovely. It's just not, it doesn't overpower anything. It's just a nice, simple piece to add to jewelry that I already wear. I really love it. What I am thinking about, because this chain that I put it on is in my personal collection and it's too big, but they do have another one that I'm interested in. I'll be sure to add that picture right here of that one. So I may add that to my collection and then add some more charms to it. But yeah, that is the 14 karat yellow gold with white topaz as the gemstone pendant, and I think she is absolutely gorgeous. I'll come a little bit closer just so that way you can see it. How stunning is that? I just absolutely adore it. Another nice thing is after you unbox all of your jewelry pieces, at the bottom are two items, which is a card from the company just thanking their customers and giving information about their humble beginnings and what they are passionate about. So I think that is just really nice, having a beautiful message, and also another pouch, which is so great because you can put your smaller individual pouches in each one of these and then just take this when you're traveling with you. So yeah, really nice touches. Or if you just want to keep it at home and it just says stay golden. So with that, I am done unboxing all of the beautiful pieces from Linjer. I just want to thank you guys for supporting my channel so that way companies can find me and want to work with us. And by doing so, they're also offering a gift back to you guys with a discount using my name, Geneva. It'll be listed right here as your discount code when you are shopping the website. Thank you to the Linjer team for reaching out to me. I am obsessed with all of the pieces that I snagged, and I'm so grateful to have them included in my jewelry box. I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know what is on your wish list from the company. I know I'm definitely looking at the petal necklace and then some more maybe stacking rings. So yeah, let me know if you've shopped the company before. What are your favorite pieces, or what do you have on your wish list? I will catch you guys in the next video. If this is your first time coming across this video, please consider subscribing and coming back, especially if you like fashion, jewelry, beauty, all of that kind of great stuff. That's what you're going to see here on this channel. Thank you so much for all of your support. Have a great day. Bye.